Hi, in this video, we will have an overview about the terrain paint tools, how to create them, how they look like in the inspector, as well as the shortcuts when working with them. To create new paint tools, first you need to open the wizard window by right-clicking on the hierarchy, then select 3D object, Polaris wizard, then click on painters. It will add new geometry texture painter, foliage painter, and object painter into the scene. In the inspector, they look quite similar. Let's select the geometry texture painter for an example. On the top, there are a few utility options such as group ID, which determine the terrain group this painter will affect, while others are related to editing history and scene view visualization. Below that, there is a paint mode selector, where you click on the buttons to switch between paint mode. Next, you can change the brush texture as well as stroke settings such as opacity, radius, rotation, scatter, and color here. That's for the inspector. In the scene view, there are a few shortcuts to help you work faster with the tool. When the scene view is focused, press and hold V to switch between paint mode. Press and hold A, then use the scroll wheel to change brush radius. Similar to that, press and hold S, D, C for rotation, opacity, and scatter. And that's it. In the next video, we will have a try on geometry painting. Bye.